mini cooking class.
Part 3.
My name is Aidura.
My name is Zydny. My name is Vano.
Today we want to make Mojitos Bye-bye. For the ingredient, we have syrup and coat.
And we have cocoa and chia seed.
And we have ice cup. Put the syrup 2 spoons. We put the cocoa. Put ice cup. And then put the chia seed. Put the coat. Mojito ice is ready. Ready. Bye-bye. Let's join Kampung Inggris Babel.